JSON is JavaScript Object Notation. It's a data format used to store and transmit data. So it uses human readable text to store and transmit data. It is used to store and exchange data between a client and a server, and is used to transfer data between web applications. Okay, so primary benefit of using JSON is it uses a universal syntax, which implies that it is easily readable and can be used by almost any programming languages. This makes it easy to transfer data between multiple programming languages and is often used to transmit data between a server and a web application. Okay, so which type of data is stored in a JSON file? Structured data. Okay, so JSON file stores structured data, which is data that is organized in a specific format. This data can include strings, numbers, arrays and other objects, and is used to store and transmit data between a server and a web application. We have to keep in mind that the information that we get back from an API is often structured in JSON. So let us create a mini weather app where we'll be utilizing the JSON. Okay. So in our weather.html file, we have created a reference for our weather.js file and weather.css file. Okay. And in our weather.js file, see, we can use API keys and all that method for getting the current weather of any particular place. Okay. However, in this example, I already have JSON via openmeteor.com. We will be utilizing this URL in our fetch method. Okay. So in our fetch method, we are passing this URL, and then this fetch method returns a promise which on getting fulfilled is handled by the then method, and our then method is in turn inside the then method we are handling the response that is getting returned, followed by another then in which we are calling another function. Okay, where we are passing weather as the parameter. For the time being, we are doing this console.log the weather. However, we'll add our display weather function within it. Okay. Okay, now let's check this weather data in our console. See, and you can check this data in our URL also. We can pretty print it to see the JSON in proper structured manner. Okay. Now in our display weather function, we can assign our required data from weather and assign it to our variables. Okay, so we can assign the various values from weather data to our variables accordingly. Okay, and then arrange it in our output div in a way according to our display requirement. Okay, so let's have a look, see, and I have further changed the CSS styling, so we can just play with the CSS styling as per our requirement. Okay, so that's all for today. Let's meet again with a new video on a new topic. Till then, happy coding.